Welcome back to AutoTime Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest and most futuristic creations of 2026, the Peugeot Motorhome. This is not your average RV. It's a showcase of innovation, luxury, and cutting-edge design, blending the practicality of a motorhome with the sophistication of a concept vehicle that looks straight out of the future. The first thing that captures your attention is its presence. The Peugeot Motorhome is massive, designed as a double-decker unit that resembles more of a luxury yacht on wheels than a traditional camper. The body features a striking combination of glossy, black, and bright white, enhanced with subtle red and gold accents that make it look sleek and powerful. Every curve and sharp line has been sculpted with aerodynamics in mind, ensuring that even a vehicle of this size appears fluid and modern rather than bulky. On the lower section, the main living and driving areas are wrapped in black with red striping that flows seamlessly across the panels. The front fascia boasts razor-thin LED headlights that stretch horizontally, giving the motorhome an aggressive high-tech face. Multi-axle configurations with massive black wheels, finished with red accents, ground this giant with a sense of stability and strength. When viewed from the side, the sheer length and layered design make it look more like a futuristic palace on wheels. Inside, those windows reveal a glowing red interior ambience, immediately setting the tone for a luxury lounge-like experience. It's a space designed for both travel and relaxation, equipped with modern seating, entertainment zones, and high-end materials that rival five-star hotel suites. Behind the driver's area, you'll find a full living space, a lounge equipped with modular seating and entertainment system, and smart lighting that adjusts to mood and time of day. There's also a dedicated dining and kitchen area, finished with premium surfaces, built-in appliances, and a sense of spaciousness rarely seen in vehicles. Bedrooms are designed as private retreats with floating beds, integrated storage, and panoramic windows. Even the bathroom area feels futuristic, combining black and white marble finishes with gold fixtures and illuminated smart mirrors. What sets this motorhome apart is not just its design, but the way it redefines expectations. Instead of being a vehicle you compromise with, it's a vehicle that expands what's possible. It feels less like a road trip necessity and more like a rolling luxury resort. Peugeot has taken their forward-thinking design philosophy and applied it to an entirely new space, and the result is nothing short of breathtaking. Pricing hasn't been officially announced, but given the scale, innovation, and premium execution, the Peugeot Motorhome is expected to land in the ultra-luxury segment, likely appealing to a niche but highly dedicated group of enthusiasts. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience that wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome, a true symbol of the future of luxury travel. Stay tuned, because on AutoTime Reviews, we'll be bringing you another exciting car review very soon.